playing video games, and drinking alcohol are all examples of these. Well, hopefully you're not doing them at the same time. But no, I mean that each of these experiences can cause structural and functional changes in your brain. Some of these changes will be fleeting. Scientists regularly observe dopamine release in the mesolimbic pathway after rewarding tasks. To be completely unscientific, your brain gets feel-good juice as a reinforcer. Blow up an enemy tank in a video game, dopamine burst. Have a glass of alcohol, dopamine burst. If I were to give President Rock Jones or Emma a $20 bill, dopamine burst. Okay, actually, I don't have a 20 on me. That's my bad. Now Emma might be experiencing a dip in dopamine because she thought she was getting $20 and didn't. Bye-bye feel-good juice. My point is that dopamine release occurs when you experience rewarding things, and dips occur when you experience not so rewarding things. And these fleeting changes can directly impact your behavior. Dopamine release is enjoyable, and that can make you want to do it again, regardless of the consequences. For alcohol, not only does it increase dopamine, it also makes GABA more effective, this GABA, and that's what makes you feel sleepy. So the way your brain is impacts your behavior. Duh. When you perform some behaviors long enough, for enough times, you can change your brain in a more lasting way. Our brain's incredible ability to mold itself based on experience is called neuroplasticity, and it enables you to improve at the things you perform most often. In individuals blind from birth, learning to read Braille uses neurons typically reserved for vision in sighted individuals. Classically trained violinists dedicate more of their primary motor cortex to individual finger movements. And professional athletes are better able to predict where things in motion will end up because of changes to their cerebellum. But plasticity isn't all rainbows and sunshine. Some changes can be detrimental. Remember how GABA makes you feel sleepy when you drink alcohol? Well, if you drink a lot of alcohol for a long time, changes to GABA activity can lead to withdrawal and tolerance, and not the good kind of tolerance. Scientists have found that playing fast-paced action video games can decrease activity in your prefrontal attention network, a change that will make it harder to pay attention to me for 3 minutes. Regardless of whether the change has a positive or negative impact on your life, there's no denying that experience molds our brain. The person you are right now is literally different than the person you will be tomorrow, next week, or next year, because every experience you have can impact the way your brain functions. Neuroplasticity protects us. It allows us to grow and improve, but we must give our brains the right experiences. When we have the power to choose our experiences, we have the power to shape our brains. Your brain is plastic. If you want to live your best life, take charge of molding it.